What's up, YouTube? It's Dino. Hey, gonna do a video here of my big bore guns for Alaric 357 Alex. Got a quick little video here showing some guns, and most of them are mine, and a couple are my son's. But anyhow, before I get started, happy Mother's Day to all the YouTube moms out there. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. What we got here is the Ruger SP101 357 stainless, just a beautiful revolver. So glad I bought that thing. Going on to the Governator. It's the Smith & Wesson Governor. Thrill, just a total thrill to shoot the 410 slugs out of that thing. 45 long Colts, 45 ACP plus P, 45 gap. Oh, just a wide range of very ammo and very fun to shoot. The Glock 17 9mm, of course. The XDM. Did a couple videos on these guns. My son's Rossi 357 4-inch barrel. The Haas 44 revolver. It's kind of like a cheaper version of a Colt. Very light trigger pull and cool single action cowboy gun. My son's Taurus 1911 45 ACP, and his Rossi Ranch Hand. That's considered a handgun. 44 Magnum. Don't mess around. That Rossi Ranch Hand will jump out of your friggin' hands with that 44 Magnum if you're not paying attention, because of the wood stock on there. That's Brazilian wood. It's very smooth wood. Not a big fan. It's fun to shoot though. The Keltec PF9 9mm, the digital camo scheme, and a couple more here. My Springfield 1911 loaded model, beautiful VZs, stainless, just keep it polished up. And then the last is my FNP 40, just a real accurate, really light pistol. I need to do more videos on that gun. Anyhow, that's my collection, big bore guns. Probably do one later on with the long guns. Alright. Let me know what you guys think. Take it easy.